Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my video. My name is Dogg, and this is my kitchen, where I make restaurant quality food, or better, from my home to yours. Let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping blocks, I got something near and dear to everybody. I know everybody that ate these things before. Guess what it is? Ramen noodles, coming right at you. Now my daughter forced me to make this video. I just want everybody to know that, because you know I be hooking up the noodles. So I'm gonna hook up these ramen noodles. First I'm gonna start up by doing my water. Got my water boiling right now. And then I'm gonna go ahead and chop up this little piece of chicken right here. So this is some old chicken that I had. So I'm gonna chop this up. Chicken's chopped up. I already had some leftover chopped up onions and bell peppers for my Philly cheesesteak. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off. Okay guys, I had this right here for my part 1 and part 2 video on how to reuse some beef. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, now that I got my knife clean, I'm gonna go ahead and chop up this celery real thin. Okay, I got about 3 garlic cloves right here. I'm gonna go ahead and chop these up. Should be good on the garlic. Don't worry, we're gonna mix all this stuff together. Got 2 eggs that I'm gonna put in there. Had some cheese, but I ain't gonna use the cheese. So I'm gonna meet you guys back over there to the stove, and we're gonna get cooking. I'm gonna go ahead and open up these ramen noodles. We put these things in there whole, 1 pack. We're gonna add our seasoning in there. Yeah, we're gonna put the seasoning in there while we fry them. And 3. So I'm gonna use all these seasonings. I'm gonna keep some of the seasoning to the side. Probably use 1 package. So let's go on. We're gonna go ahead and get our vegetables and stuff fried up. We're gonna start off by putting some olive oil in the pan. Like that much. It's healthy. Crank it up some. Got our noodles going. We're not gonna cook these noodles all the way done. Test this skillet to see if it's done. Put a little water on your finger. See if it's hot. Nope, it ain't hot yet. So we're gonna get it going. Heating up, so it takes a second. Okay, we got our skillet hot. Put our vegetables in there. Meat in there. That's our vegetables in there. Our meat. Okay, stir this up a little bit. Now you want to drain the noodles and you want to wash them off in cold water to stop the cooking process. Otherwise they'll blow up. You take the noodles, put the noodles up in there, toss them around. Got some bacon, I'm gonna throw some bacon in there. Never can go wrong with the bacon. Mix this stuff up. Take some soy sauce. Take a seasoning pack. Okay. I'm going to scoot this to the side a little bit. A little bit more oil. Plenty of oil right there. Take your eggs. A little black pepper. Take your eggs, break it up, or whatever you're gonna do with it. Take a little chicken broth. Put a little of that in there. I think we're done. So we're gonna go ahead and plate this up, and I'll see you back over there in a minute. Okay guys, I'm done with this dish. This is fried ramen noodles, Dogg way. It looks okay. I'm good with that. I'm gonna eat it up. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Dogg signing out.